Welcome to Parapod. This is a short video to show the site, the backyard. This is the existing greenhouse. Remember, I made the video trying to convert this, but now we decided to build a new one beside it. This is the site. This is the marking. The southeast corner of the lot of the site, and that's the southwest, and then that one is the northwest. This is the northeast of the site. Okay, this is the middle. Remember, I wrote an article about the dog. Oh, Ella's here. Dog here. This is Ella. Hello, Ella. Yeah, this is the dog. She started, digging that site. That's the middle of the site. Yeah. So, anyway, so this should give you the idea how far the greenhouse will be from the house. This is actually the edge of the east side edge of the greenhouse. Yeah, pretty far. This is the basement. The right hand is the kitchen window. This is the bathroom window. That's the another area of the basement. So that this is the south side of the site. Yeah, actually I make the site to be 420 by 20, but the actual build is 17 by 17. So because I got to leave some room around the edges so that I can dig deep, and then I still plan to dig, I would say maybe 4 feet at least, and then I lay pond liner underneath, and then we put with backfill with gravel, with stones. We're gonna have lots of stones actually while we dig, so we can wash them, then backfill, right? And then that way we can reuse. So anyway, so this is the short video to show the site. I just came back from Tim Allen's shop. Tim's shop is called Down to the Wire Welding. And he's going to take care of all the structural building, welding, fabrication. So that way he knows how the first one works, and then he can continue to do that, right? For whoever want to make a structure like this, So then anyone local that who like to have Parapod, built, and that could be done very fast. So we set the deadline to be May 1st. So May 1st, we want to finish most of we finish the site preparation, then the structural, right, and then the covering. Once we get the cover, finished, then roughly we can say that's it, right? That's the completion of the project, and the rest just simply, get the grow bed, the sand ponic system, set it up inside. That's no big deal. I already have the existing two of the existing sand ponics running, right now even. So the fish didn't die. Yeah, the water didn't freeze. So past the winter. Yeah. So even with the traditional greenhouse. Yeah. But I have to use the heating rod. Yeah, keep the the water, right? Warm, yeah. So anyway, so then the rest should be simple. Once we get the cover finished, and the rest is just very handy and it's a very simple setup. Just grow bed with fish tank. Simple system, one pump system actually. Just one pump, and that's take care of everything. And then it's similar to the greenhouse. The waters will pump. I will pump the water. I'm talking about the fish water. Pump from the fish tank to the grow bed just every 2 hours. Pump for 10 minutes, and that's enough to clean the water, filter out all the fish poo, and then keep the water clean, and then let it sit for 2 hours, so that it fully drained and air got into the sand, and then then the bacteria grow. Now here comes the Ella, the dog. Ella like to get into the scene. Ella, come on. Ella, what are you doing? Ella, you want to start digging? Yes. Yay, good. Nice dog. You're a nice dog. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's the day. This is, by the way, today is March 17th. And we like the number 17 so much, so we make it bigger, right? Now the edge length is 17, and the height is also 17. And today I can get the 3D drawing. Young said we can get the 3D drawing today, and also the 2D drawing for the structure, so that Tim can start, working on it. Okay, yeah, that's good. This site used to be a airport runway. So, as you can see, this is a mountain view. It's a pretty high ground, actually. Let me open this the back door of the yard and back gate. So we'll see. I'll take a look and show you. You see here? This is the horizontal view. And then going down, you will have a house, you see, underneath. So this is a very steep slope, see here. And this is the edge of the slope, top edge of the slope. And this is the slope. As a result, the water table of the site is very low. I would say maybe 20 feet or even 30 feet down, then we can start to see the accumulated water, So because of that, I like to, Ella's here. I like to create the underground system, because of the fact, right? If you, if your water table is not low, you don't have to do this. But because the water table here is very low, so I like to create a man-made underground pool water system, but that pool actually is filled with water and gravel, so it acts as a foundation, but also acts as a good thermal mass, right? And to store the solar thermal energy. That's why. And also this, once I bring this project to Calgary, then where it's very, very cold, minus 35 during the winter time could be, and but lots of sunshine, right? And then the geothermal, it's actually the secret, it's because you got to increase the capacity, right, to absorb and then store the solar thermal energy underground. That's and this we call the heat sink, and that's critical. If you it's okay over here, in Kelowna, right? But it's not going to be okay in Calgary, where the outside temperature is extremely low, like minus 35. So we want to create an all climate environment. So in order to achieve that, to compensate the fact that when you have cloudy day, what if you have cloudy weather for 2 weeks, not enough sunshine, right? By the way, even in that case, you can still collect solar thermal energy, but the thing is, may not be enough, right? And then you have to rely some other ways, right? So, and geothermal is happen to be the cheapest way, another cheaper way to utilize the solar thermal energy, hidden in the ground. So, anyway, that's explain why I like to do this. I don't have to do it, but because of the fact the water table is low, and also because the fact I want to learn how this thing, how do I build such a thing, right? So that I can, easily, I can be the guinea pig now, and then apply it to the situation in Calgary, easily, right? So that's why, okay? Hope you understand. Is showing, the whole digging stuff. It started by Ella, the dog, and now, then followed by me, and now followed by Laura. Laura, say hi to the camera. Hello. And this is my daughter Grace.
Hello.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful.